I know we're a grown man size, but like, yo, this is just OG. Welcome back. I'm E.Reap and I appreciate you for tuning in. So today we have a very special unboxing in my eyes anyway. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video as well, but I'm really excited to get into this package. So as you can see, this box is pretty big for no reason, man. Like, I know we're a grown man size, but like, yo, this is just OG. I don't know. Maybe I got a care package or something from Reebok. Who knows? Let's see. I'll go ahead and crack it open. Oh yeah, shout out to the comment in one of my other videos. Always remember to cut away from yourself. Don't want any injuries on camera, you know what I'm saying? Alright, man. Whew. The box already is crazy. Now, I know a lot of people don't like this shoe or don't like this silhouette, but I've been wanting this particular silhouette for years. I just haven't came across like a colorway that I wanted, or like a price that I wanted to pay for a certain colorway. But this one, I mean, I couldn't pass it up. It's the best of both worlds. You got camo and you got loud colors. And if you know me, then you know how I get down. But let's go ahead and get into the box. So on the top of the box, you have the purple Bape camo with the Bape head with the Reebok logo. Then on the size tag side, you got your regular camo. You got your Bape star, you got Bapes at the top, and then you have the size tag, and it reads Instant Pump Fury OG unisex, and the colorway is white, black, black, and size 12, of course. Go ahead and get into the details real quick. Then on the other side, you have the blue camo. You got the Bathing Ape with the registered logo, and then you have, is it the same camo? Looks a little darker. So then you have like a darker regular army green camo, and then the Bapester logo and everything right there as well. Oh, and then you have your orange camo, and then you have a Reebok Classic. So the box already is crazy. Under the lid, nothing, is pure white. Whew. And then you have the Bapester paper, probably drowning out. But yeah, let's go against the shoes, man. These are hard. These are definitely hard. Oh man. So here we have it. The Reebok times Bape Instant Pump Fury. Wow, okay. So the right shoe, let's go ahead and go over the right shoe. You know, with the Instant Pumps, there are no laces. They have like this, like the neoprene strap to keep you locked in. So let's go over the different camos, I guess. Starting with the toe box, you have the orange camo right there in like a canvas material. And then the canvas goes up to the, I guess, the upper as well, and that purple camo, if you can see that, goes all the way up to the tongue, and you see the Reebok logo right here that's stitched in or embroidered. And then I guess the overlay for the upper is going to be a neoprene and the traditional camo. But you still see the Bape influence, you know, with the Bape heads in there. And then on the actual pump, you have the Bape head as well, black with that white button. Then you have your pull tab on your tongue. And on the heel, you have the red camo with I guess red, orange camo. And canvas as well with the Bapester on the back, and that is embroidered as well. Then you have like this little triangle on the heel. Kind of reminds me of the Jordan 7s. And you know, that's my favorite silhouette. So that's kind of dope. And on the inside of the right shoe, on the insole, you have a Reebok Classic. So with the white midsole, of course. It looks like Boost, but it's definitely not Boost. So yeah, that's in the all black outsole. So that's going to be it for the right shoe. Then your left shoe is basically, well, no, because there's some differences. So the left toe box with a toe cap, you have the red camo. Is that coming in? Okay, boom. Then you go up to your orange camo on your upper. Same Reebok logo in white and the same Bape head up top. And then your overlay, you have that blueberry camo and a neoprene. And then on the heel tab, you have that classic or traditional camo with the Bape stud embroidered as well. And I think this came with a little tag. Oh, just a regular hang tag, you know, Adidas. Because Adidas owns Reebok as of right now, but I know they put them up for sale, so I'm not sure how long, I guess, the partnership is going to be until somebody buys them out. I'm not sure. And then the insole says the same thing. A bathing ape, you get the black insole with the with the white writing. And then outsole, you know, still black with the Reebok embossed on the forefoot. But yeah, definitely excited to get these. I don't know if you can tell, but I love camo. And this is a crazy shoe. And it's like a what the camo Bape joint. And this particular model is just so crazy that I felt this collab was probably like the best. Because, you know, Bape is loud anyway. And then you get like a crazy futuristic looking shoe with the Instapump Fury. Then you combine the two again. Because I know they did a collab. Usually when Bape does a collab with sneaker brands, they stick with the traditional camo. They either do like the green or they'll do a black version. But this time they actually did the multicolored camo. And they did a what the, and that's so dope to me. I cannot wait to wear these. So yeah, I think that's going to be it with the actual review portion. I'm not sure how long this video is, but I don't want to make it too long. So stay tuned for the on foot, because I know y'all waiting to see what these look like on feet, and I'm dying to throw these on. So hopefully you enjoyed the B-roll. Hopefully you enjoyed the review. I'm not sure if these are going to restock because they sold out instantly. I know they released overseas like a week or two before the U.S. release. And I was hesitant to pull the trigger because I wanted to know how they fit. Like, I don't want to buy a shoe that I really want and it's the wrong size. And of course, something like this is like limited run. So you can't just buy any size and hopefully you can exchange it or get a new size down the line. So luckily, I was able to get these off the Reebok site pretty easily. But then I want to say within like 3 to 5 minutes, they all sold out. So shout out to everybody that said these are ugly and allowed me to get my grown man size 12 out the way. But yeah, let me go ahead and end this video off with the on foot look.
Walk in the club, got money in pockets. I see you with your girls and now y'all excited.